oh man, it's been a minute, but we back. Late night drives, man. Late night drive. Nothing crazy. Just bored, bro. I'm sorry I left. I don't know, bro. I don't know if y'all liking the videos or y'all like the. I just kind of dropped my phone. But I don't even know if y'all was liking the videos or whatever. But I mean, I might start uploading back again. So we're gonna see how this one do, and then go from there, bro. On the journey to get a new whip. Hopefully y'all can help me out. Get subscribers. I just been doing videos, making videos, bro, on another account, on a different vibe and everything, on TikTok and everything. So y'all let me know, man. Do I make more videos? Just late night driving in general, POV driving, like you see, we in the Benz. What am I talking about, bro? We in the Beamer. I don't know how long this video gonna be. Not long, honestly. I just want to chop it up with y'all, catch up with y'all. Like, comment, let me know in the comment section, like what y'all rocking with, bro. Like what y'all want to see, what y'all want. Do y'all want more? Everything helps, bro. All the likes, all the comments, all the subscriptions. I'm trying to be great, bro. I'm trying to grow into a big YouTuber, and I'm gonna speak it into existence. I'm speaking it into the existence, bro. Mustang, you see it. Old school caddy. Chrysler. The reason I'm chilling a little bit right now is because man, there was hella state troopers out, bro. There was hella state troopers out, but we finna make the Yui when we get on the road up here. Go back on the freeway the other way. I know you see the Durango. See the Audi. I know what we doing wrong, but it's alright. You know how much better YouTube would be without copyright, bro? I understand copyright has to be a thing. I'm not dumb. But like, if I could just drive with music playing too, bro, like, come on. Like, come on, bro. Like, yeah, that tell me it wouldn't hit. Tell me that wouldn't hit. We was getting some good views too, bro. I don't know why I stopped. Like I said, I was on my TikTok. I'm on a journey, man, a spiritual journey right now. I'm on a TikTok. Same handle as over here. Everything J2 Live. If y'all want to check it out on TikTok, we've been getting a little bit of traction. Road to 1K followers. We almost at 500 on there in a couple of days, actually. Like I just started like uploading every day, talking about God and everything like that. But yeah, same handle as here. If y'all want to check me out over there. But yeah, man, POV drive sessions. I low-key missed them, bro. And this one dude that always used to comment, leaving comments that I made his day and everything. I feel bad. I can't leave him. I can't leave my dog. I know you watching this, bro. I can't leave you, bro. First real supporter of many. But like I said, man, we gonna speak this into existence. This video gonna get some traction. We gonna get some subscribers. We gonna blow up, and we gonna never gonna change, bro. Always gonna be me, even when I'm at the top, man. And it's all because of God, not because of man. Man has no control over it. It's all due to God. God and His grace. You see him over there? You see him over there? That's the police. But they over there, and I'm over here. So if I take off, they can't get on the highway. No, sir. You cannot get on the highway, sir. Sir, there's no highway driving for you, sir. He can't get on the free. He can't get on the highway. I'm gonna upload this actually tonight. Thank you, sir. I know what we doing wrong. It's alright. It feels alright. It feels alright. I know what we doing wrong, but it feels alright. The one thing is hard to see behind me if any coppers are out here before I take off. It's currently, it's like 12:57. I think it's 11:57. Daylight savings. It's daylight savings. Yeah, I forgot. Should this be? Oh, can't show it. No sir. No sir. Slow down. Maybe a copper's getting on up here. Slow, slow, slow your roll. Can't see it. Nope. Well, I know what we doing wrong, but it feels alright. It feels alright. It feels alright. Well, I know what we doing wrong, but it feels alright. That song's stuck in my head, bro. Let me know something, bro. Ask me anything in the comments. What y'all want to know. Is that a... Nah, that's not a track. Come on, bro. Hey, Kia, get your act together, bro. What is you doing in my lane? What is they doing? They wilding over there. But like I said, this might be like a 7, 8, 9, 10 minute video at max. Just to get a little, I'm back, man. Late night session for y'all. Like I said, do I bring more? Do y'all want to see more? If so, if this video get I got 24 subs talking like this. If this video get 500 views and I say, okay, let's start somewhere. 500 views, 15 likes. We gonna start banging them out. I'm gonna bring y'all another one. Come on, who am I setting this bar low for y'all? If this video get 500 likes and 20 likes, we gonna bring more. Bet. And I'm gonna put it in the comment section too. In case y'all not watching the whole video. But if you watching the whole video, comment. Just comment, I'm here. If you watch this whole video, comment, I'm here, and I got something for you. If you get to this point in the video. If you comment, I'm here, down below, I got something for you. No cap. We gonna talk. And I'm being so serious. I'm a man of my word, man. I promise you. Just comment, I'm here. And we gonna talk. My arm tired. Maybe that is why I stopped. My arm tired of doing this, man. My shoulder is on fire. See some lights up here. Seen some lights up here. I don't know what they was. But we're approaching the 10-minute mark. I just want to tune in with y'all, give y'all a quick POV though. Chop it up with y'all. I love dropping it with y'all, man. Hopefully, like I said, we grow. But this video get 500 views, 20 likes. It might get way more. I'm setting the bar low. Then I'm gonna bring more, man. Without further ado, appreciate y'all tuning in with your boy. Until next time. Appreciate y'all, man. We out.